if you want to set up a VPN on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, first we can open Settings. Over here in Settings, we should be able to proceed to Network and Internet, and then here we have the VPN option. Now you can use this plus button in the upper right corner in order to create your first VPN profile, but in order to do so you need to have all of these, all that information that we have to fill in, like the server address, the identifier in here. You might also need to for example, use something different, like for example, if you want to switch the type, then you have to do so in here. You might also need to use the username and password. You can also show advanced options in order to find, let's say, the proxy option, so you might need to set up the proxy as well, and so on and so forth. And if you set everything up, you should be able to tap on save to enter the profile, and if it's set up properly, then of course you can join the VPN profile and use the VPN. However, most of the time you want to use a very simpler version of the VPN. That is, you might want to install a VPN app. So this is of course very simple compared to setting up the profile by yourself. In that case, you can go to the Play Store and you can just simply search for VPN. Unless of course you already have a specific VPN in mind that you wish to use, then of course you can just set the name of that VPN. Let me actually fix the text over here. There we go. And as you can see, we have many different VPN apps that you can use on your phone. Which one you choose to use, which one you decide to use, it's up to you. I don't really force you to choose anything from this list specifically, but in my case, I'm just gonna show you how to set up the VPN using this specific app in here. But like I said, feel free to try anything else from this list. It's up to you which one you want to use. You can of course try different VPN apps one by one, and then you can decide which one you like the most, which one suits you the most. So once we install the VPN app, of course we need to open it. The setup is usually very simple. You just have to follow the configuration during the initial setup, of course. Like in this case, for example, we can just continue as a guest, so that's a good thing because we don't have to create any account whatsoever, so we can do that. Of course, you might see some premium offers, but many VPN apps are free, or at least they allow you to use the VPN for free. Of course, as a result, you will not have access to every feature that the VPN app offers, but of course this might be sufficient for many people as well. So in this case, I'm just going to tap on Not Now. And after that, you should be able to just simply tap on the disconnect button. Of course, we need to grant some permissions, so be sure to do that if necessary. And then you should be able to use the VPN quite easily. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.